turn it this way, it'll look sideways on the TV. You gotta stay this way.
Alright. Okay, the birthday girl. Say hi. She is a mummy tiger. And of course my little sister was. And this is Iris's mom and this is mine. And this is Iris the tiger. I'm filming you now. And this is Iris's little brother. You get to be in a... And you do dinosaur. And this is our facer. And this is Marshall. Show us, Marshall. And this is Alice. And back to the birthday girl, Ruby, we go. Me? Who am I? I'm Mira. Can I be doing me? Because I'm the birthday girl. Now the birthday girl will take control. You have to flip it this way, Ruby. See?
Birthday girl is taking control. Balloon man.
Calvin, can I take a picture of you?
I'm Balloon Man.
It's not.
I'm Bull.
It's not record. You can't. I'm not record.
I'm Bull.
Can you record a movie with me?
Photos?
You're filming. You're on camera.
Okay, I want to see. All right. Mila, should I be the first one? Yeah. You go there then. No, not me. I should be the first one to do the show. Okay. Okay, that's my. All right, Rosa, you get to be in the movie. I can't. Oh, do you see her? No, she has to back up to like that green balloon.
And that means it's filming. Okay. If you turn it, go.
The red button.
Oh, there we go. It's not.
Can I take a picture of? Can we?
Around.
Once again, and Ruby's best unicorn. All right, put your unicorn on the front. Okay, Miss Ruby. Now Ruby, she has a braid like that, and she is a mummy on that side, and a tiger on the other side, and she's a little shy right now. And then this is Elsa, and Chase, and this is you.
Hold! Smash!
Can I see that mom? Performance. But me? Who am I? I'm Mira the butterfly. I'm the filmer of the shows. I mean the movies. I see you. I see your hair. I see Batman too. And to a beautiful painting we are. To Anna and Elsa, reindeer, and back to the girlie, to Ruby. Let's do it again. And that birthday girl, say run away. Say run away, birthday girl. No, you don't. Everyone is watching. Okay, here, face me. No, face this. Now you're in the film. See? Now you're in the movie. And it's me and Julia, Ruby's little sister. So cute. No. I'll do this and that goes on front. That is what is this? Okay, this is almost this all of them going. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do okay, I'm gonna do this one. And I'm also gonna do this one. And this is the lovely and one and only Minnie Mouse at her shop. Now this is the one and only. This is the one and only Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, well, she's not really wearing clothes right now, and she's not also wearing her. She's lots of different outfits. I'm just gonna. How crazy!
That's recording stuff.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to clean it up.
If it's recording, you want to point at somewhere then.
Dude's gonna be in the picture. Say hi.
It's recording.
During the next day, just coincidentally, and I walked.
I'm gonna record the ghost in the.
Yeah, the mouth is pretty good.
What are you doing?
I'm going.
What are you doing, sweetie?
She let me take movies.
Movies?
Yeah. Now let's find that ghost. Ghost, come out wherever you are.
That's a camera, isn't it? Yeah. That's a real
It can, yeah. Ghost, come out wherever you are.
shoes.
Hey, ghost, come out.
Oh, not only
I'm kind of spying on them. See, look, I'm spying on those people.
oh, you can see what they're watching on TV.
I can put it on here. No, let's sue your. Let's go bounce in the bouncy house. Whoa. Let's see these kids. Okay, guys. You guys get in a pose. Okay. Guys, get in a pose together. Like hug each other, okay? No way. No. Why? But I want to get a really good picture of you guys.
Work with me here.
Please.
What are you doing?
Okay.
The camera's on.
Okay, now that we're back to the light, I can take a picture of you.
What do you want?
And my butt. And this, hey, where's my dad? I guess I'm gonna be so weird today, tonight. And then I'm coming in here, Tiger. I'm keeping you safe, Sawyer. All right? Sawyer! Someone help! Help!
Don't lean on the side because it's going to fall in. I've seen this happen before. Don't lean too much on the side because it's going to fall
This isn't really a bouncy castle. Pull me.
Let it go up, honey.
Yeah?
We're gonna leave in just a couple minutes, okay?
Okay. And that's is the end of the show. Can you return this to the lady?
What lady?
The paint lady.
Yeah.
Give them away.
No, it like collapsed. Like there were it was in when you see it doing that.
Oh, they're falling out of the
Say cheese, guys.